I feel so naked right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mezmereyez by Tonoi. It is me, Markeisha Tonoi. If you're new, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enjoy the show. So really quickly, as you guys can see, I pretty much have like no makeup on. This has been a requested look for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this look, and that's probably why it's taken me so long to do it. But yeah, so I have prepared a super quick natural makeup look, or like a no makeup type of look, or fresh face, whatever you guys want to call it. But anyways, it's this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm jumping right in. I just put on my eyebrows and I concealed them a little bit and just brought the color down. So this look is going to be super simple and super quick, just because, to be honest, I hate this look. I'm clearly not a natural person, so whatever, we're just going to jump right in and try to have some fun doing this. So the first thing I'm going to jump on and use is Maybelline's Master Strobing Liquid. I feel like for me to get like that easy highlight, it's best when you kind of basically you start your glow under your skin. So when you look like a golden globe, you know you achieved the look. I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is the HD Illuminating Foundation. So I'm just going to, I'll put it on the brush. Just going to put a couple of squirts on the brush and then just put it everywhere. Okay, so once I put my foundation on, it's already looking very natural, I guess. It's very illuminizing. So once I put that on, I'm going to go in with a natural highlight. Now this color is like almost like a salmon type of color. And I got this from, well, I stole it from my mom. But it's from Santee's. So where I would naturally highlight, I'm just going to put this in those same areas. And then we will blend it in. So I'm going in with the Baked Browns palette, and I'm just going to go for that chocolate color. Just going to put a little bit in the corner. Okay, so now I'm going in with an old one. This is MAC and the color is Romp, R-O-M-P, and it's just a really pretty brown. Let me see. It's just super pretty. I always wear this to work when I'm faking my no makeup, and I'm going to actually just use my fingers. Just gonna lightly put it on there. Okay, so once you're done placing the eyeshadow on, you want to just get any brush. I'm going to be using the M443 from Morphe, and I'm just going to kind of blend those two colors together just a tiny bit. Okay, so next I just want to put on like a nude liner, and you can use anything. I'm using City Color, and this color is Sand Dune, and it's literally just like a nude. It's just brown, or nude brown, I guess. I don't know. So I'm just going to line my under eyes. So for blush, I'm going in with an oldie but goodie. This is Cargo, and this is Laguna. So it's just like an orangish color. I feel like this color looks best on me when I'm trying to do a natural look, because it just brings out like my undertones, I guess. So I'm just lightly dusting this color on. So what's left over on the brush, I'm just going to kind of sweep it all over my face just to give like that, I guess, sun-kissed. I don't know, I mean, I'm black, but whatever. Okay, so for highlight, I am now going in with the same highlighter, which is the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo number 2. And I'm just going to put a little bit on, for real this time. Then I'm just putting a little in the center. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to get my beauty blender, and I'm just going to go over those areas. I want this look to look very like I keep saying, natural. So I want it to look like it's in my skin, just naturally breathing, and not so much as product sitting on top of my skin. So really quickly off camera, I just kind of brushed my brows and made them look a little more natural, and I use Makeup Forever's Brow Seal. So we are going to now go in and do lips. This is ColourPop's Lippy Stick in the color Tootsie. So I'm just going to line my lips with it. Okay, so once I have the color on my lips, I'm going to add some gloss. I need something extra, so I'm going in with Motives Cosmetics, and this color is called Glam, and it's like a glittery gloss. It's like almost like a peachish color. When I first mixed these two, this was like my go-to look for I think like 6 months when I first got this. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this video was super simple and slow. I have gotten a lot of requests to do like a natural slash glowy type of look. So I hope this qualifies. So I will do my hair and I will do some stills for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.